Hello students and welcome to English Tutorials Macvision Naviraj World School. Today we will discuss the question answers of the chapter of the poem My Mother at 66. Think it out. What is the kind of pain and ache that the poet feels? So जो poetess है कमला दास उनको किस kind का पेन होता है, किस kind का एक होता है? What was the kind of pain and ache that the poet feels? When the poetess looks at her mother's face closely, she realizes that she has grown old. जब वो अपनी मदर के फेस को क्लियरली देखती हैं, क्लोजली देखती हैं, तो उनको लगता है that she has grown very old. वो बहुत बूढ़ी हो गई है, वो बहुत ओल्ड हो गई. She has grown old. She feels her mother can die any moment and that then she will lose her forever. उनको लगता है कि उनकी मदर कभी भी मर सकती हैं and that she will lose her forever और वो उनको हमेशा के लिए खो देंगी. The poetess feels pain of her mother's old age and her helplessness towards her. Poetess is very helpless. Why? Because she cannot do anything about the situation. She cannot stop the mother from growing old. She cannot stop her from aging. Okay? So she was feeling very helpless. She has the fear of separating from her forever. और उनको fear होता है कि वो उनको हमेशा के लिए खो देंगे. She has the fear of separating from her forever. Why are young trees described as sprinting? Young trees को sprinting word use करके क्यों describe किया गया है? The young trees have been personified. So here the figure of speech that is used is personification. तो young trees को personify कर दिया गया है. They have been compared or associated with a human activity. Sprinting is a human activity. So it is so the young trees have been personified. When poetess looks at them from her moving car, they seem to be running past. So जब poetess उनको देखती है फ्रॉम हर मूविंग कार तो ऐसे लगता है कि वो पास बाय कर रहे हैं, वो वहां से गुजर रहे हैं, राइट? सो दे सीम टू बी रनिंग पास्ट. द पोएटेस फाइंड्स इट टू बी ऑपोजिट टू हर मदर हु लुक्स स्टिल एज अ कॉर्प्स और अ डेड बॉडी. सो पोएटेस जो है वो उनको बोलती है दैट शी इज लुकिंग लाइक अ कॉर्प्स. हर मदर लुक्स लाइक अ कॉर्प्स, ऐसा बोलती है पोएटेस. व्हाई? बिकॉज she finds it to be opposite to her mother. जो बाहर activities होती है, life, full of activity. So she compares that with her mother that looks like a corpse or a dead body. Why has the poet brought in the image of merry children spilling out of their homes? Poet ये image क्यों create करते हैं of merry children spilling out of their homes? Why? The poet draws comparison between her mother who is sleeping with mouth open like a dead body and children spilling out of their homes who are full of energy and life. So इसलिए क्योंकि the poet she wants to compare her mother with the children spilling out of their homes. दोनों opposite हैं. Mother is very old, she is pale, she's sleeping, she's dozing. Okay, and she's looking like a dead body. Whereas the children are young, full of life and energy. So they are looking very active. So a comparison is being made here. To make the comparison, the imagery of merry children spilling out of their homes is used here. Why has the mother been compared to the late winter's moon? मदर को लेट विंटर्स मून से क्यों कंपेयर किया है? The mother has been compared to the late winter's moon as she seems dull like winter's moon due to fog and mist in the sky. Both of them are moving towards their end, one of season, another of life. तो जो मदर है उनको लेट विंटर्स मून से इसलिए कंपेयर किया है क्योंकि वो भी डल लगती थी। किसकी तरह डल? विंटर्स मून। विंटर का जो मून होता है उसमें इट अपीयर्स टू बी वेरी डल बिकॉज ऑफ फॉग एंड मिस्ट। फॉग और मिस्ट की वजह से वो धुंधला सा दिखाई देता है, डल दिखाई देता है। सो इट इज बीइंग मदर्स फेस इज बीइंग कंपेयर्ड टू लेट विंटर्स मून। और दोनों जो है एंड की तरफ ले जा रहे हैं, दोनों are moving towards their end, both of them are moving towards their end. लेट विंटर मून किसके एंड की तरफ जा रहा है? एंड ऑफ द सीजन, इट represents the end of the season. एंड जो मदर का डल फेस है वो लाइफ का एंड हमें पोर्ट्रे कर रही है। What do the parting words of the poet and her smile signify? जब वो जा रही होती है पोएटेस, so what does her word what do her words and smile signify? The poet's parting words and her smile are deliberate attempt to hide her real feelings. तो वो जानबूझ के अपनी रियल फीलिंग्स को छुपाना चाहती है। Her words, see you soon Amma, give an assurance to her mother and smiles are an attempt to overcome the fear and ache inside her heart. तो जो वर्ड्स होते हैं सी यू सून अम्मा, वो क्यों बोलती हैं? बिकॉज शी वॉन्ट्स टू गिव अश्योरेंस, श्योरिटी देना चाहती है अपनी मदर को कि हम जरूर मिलेंगे मम्मा। एंड स्माइल्स आर एन अटेम्प्ट टू ओवरकम द फियर एंड एक इनसाइड हर हार्ट। और जो स्माइल्स हैं वो एक अटेम्प्ट है, वो एक कोशिश है ताकि वो अपने फियर और अपने पेन को ओवरकम कर पाए। So that is all about the question and answers. Hope you have all understood. Thank you so much, children.